Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Aya. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. So she's killing it. Yeah. So when I'm socializing a dog, I am a big fan of not being a helicopter parent and controlling them. I want her to be confident enough to explore her environment and not feel like she's constrained and being corrected and punished for trying to sniff things. Step number one, when I'm socializing a dog, I want to take them to many different environments with all types of distractions. And I'm not a big fan of making a puppy walk by my side on a leash. I don't care where they're at that much. But I don't want them pulling me, okay? I don't just sit there and walk with them like that, but I'll let them have the freedom to explore. And I want my puppy to feel confident, to be able to explore her environment, sniff things, okay? So as we're walking through the store, I'm allowing her to engage with her environment and sniff things, right? But what I don't want is I never allow my puppies or dogs to go up to people, to go up to other dogs, never. So I always use the leash and I stop them from doing that, okay? Or I'll redirect them with the come command or different things, okay? But I don't allow my puppies to go see other dogs, see other people, but I want them to be around people and just be neutral to where they see them and they're like, okay, cool, just a person. I don't want them to be like, oh my goodness, hi, never. So follow me and I'll show you some things that I do to socialize my puppies. Good girl. I use a technique called luring, where I take some food and I just literally feed them. I walk around, I feed them in the heel position, and basically all I do is I train. All I do is I train. Good. Sit. Good girl. Gotta tie my shoe. It keeps coming untied. Yes. Good girl. Basically, all I do when I'm socializing dogs and puppies is I just train in public. I take them to different areas and I train. I walk past people. Behind you. And I just walk. Aya, sit. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Yeah, good job. Right? I want her to see anything and everything. So I'll take some things that might be loud and I'll let her see how she's a little nervous of this thing. I'll walk and I'll just drag it next to us. Aya, sit. Good girl. And I'll move this past. Good. She sniffs it, I reward. Break. And we got a cart coming by, right? So here's something that I do is we have this loud cart coming by. Sit. Good. And as this thing goes by, I'm just gonna be rewarding her and letting her eat. Good. Good. Every time she looks at me, break, I reward her, right? Good girl. Sit. And I like to do a whole bunch of things random things. There's no secret technique. Expose them to different sounds. Good girl. Good. Like, I just do a whole bunch of random stuff, honestly. That's all I do. I just go in different aisles, expose them to different sounds. I like to make loud sounds. Like, I'll take these buckets and I'll... Good. As soon as the loud bang happens, I mark and I reward, so she associates that. Good. She's nervous of the bucket, she sniffs it, I reward it, right? So I'm rewarding her being proactive rather than reactive or fearful and backing off. I want her to go, hey, that made me a little scared. Aya, come, yes, right? So my wife is tapping on a box, it distracted her. I say come, I reward her for coming. Good girl. Aya, sit. Yes, right? So literally I just do a whole bunch of random stuff, honestly. Like anything that you can think of that might freak your dog out a little bit, make them a little nervous. It's all you want to do. So I'm gonna go past my wife here because I don't want her to back up into any more things. Good girl. So this is a really cool way to socialize our puppy because I know when I hit these buttons, it might freak her out a little bit. So I'm gonna see how she reacts to these things, okay? So first, good. Yes. I reward her for just sniffing it. She's curious. I want to reward that proactive, but I also want her to respond to commands. So as she's distracted, I'll say, Aya, come. Yes. Right? So now I'm gonna hit the button and see how she reacts. Good girl, good girl. And while that's happening, I'm just gonna feed her. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good. And that's all I do, right? She's a little curious of it, but she's not freaking out, which is good. Aya, come. Yes. Good girl. Good girl.
I will not stop till I've expunged this new world.
Yeah, good girl. So this is great, right? I know she's never seen this stuff before. Aya, come. Yes. Good girl. Aya, yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Aya, come. Yes. Right. So here's all I'm doing is she's a little freaked out of this, but I'm being very engaging, very fun, and I want her to associate this scary thing with having a really good time with me and eating some really good food out of my hand, so that she just goes, oh, that's nothing. I'm not even scared of that. Aya. Yes. So there we go. That one freaks her out. Aya, come. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Aya, come. Yes. Good girl. Aya, come. Yes. Good girl.
All Halloween night.
Yeah.
Come on, it's your time to dance with me.
Aya. Good toy. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good. Aya. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Good girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Aya, Aya. Yeah. Good girl.
Choose a song from your device.
Good girl. Good girl. Aya, Aya, Aya. Yeah. Good girl.
Connect two or more of these oversized
Good girl. So she's killing it. Yeah.
together as a band.
Good girl. Drop. Sit.
Halloween playlist.
Good
and
girl.
Let them rock out for the entire neighborhood or trick-or-treaters all Halloween
Yes.
night.
Good girl. Good girl.
Come on, it's your time to dance.
Good girl. Drop. And cool. That's all I really do. I want to find things that make her nervous, and I want to counter condition her. Uh-oh. Ah, yeah. Gee. Timing is everything.